are your notes enough? See, I'll tell you what. I mean, I just want to clarify this one very important thing at the beginning of the classes only. For all of you and for your better. That are my notes enough or are XYZ's notes enough? The answer to that is plain and simple, no. Why? Because the exam is evolving. Because the exam is very dynamic. And it's not that the constitution is also a completely static piece of text. It also evolves as the judgments of the courts keep coming in. हो सकता है हम अपना सिलेबस जो है सपोज कीजिए मार्च तक खत्म कर लेते हैं पॉलिटी का, लेट्स से और लेट्स से अप्रैल तक खत्म कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद जो भी डेवलपमेंट्स होंगी 1 साल 1.5 साल तक आप क्या करेंगे? क्या आप उन्हीं नोट्स के सहारे बैठे रहेंगे? राइट, वन इज दैट. द अदर थिंग विच यू नीड टू ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड इज दैट अल्टीमेटली एज फार एज प्रिपरेशन फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन इज कंसर्न, अगर आप में से किसी को ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमने कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट की फीस दे दी है और उसके बाद हमें यहां पे यूपीएससी में सिलेक्शन का टिकट मिल गया है, तो आप बहुत ही गलत धारणा के साथ यहां पर आए हैं. यू हैव कम विद अ कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग नोशन. राइट, you need to understand this very important thing. We are here to only guide you. We are here to make things simple for you. जो चीज आपको पढ़ने में हो सकता है 1 महीना लगे, वो मैं यहां पे आपको आधे घंटे में पढ़ा दूंगा. अगर मल्टीपल सोर्सेस से मैं आपको पढ़ने बोलूंगा, you will have to put that cumulative experience and the knowledge that I have of this subject of last 10 years to put together. I will be giving that to you in 40 classes. है ना? So that is what you are getting. आपको वो मिल रहा है. पर आप ये मत सोचिएगा कि बस कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन कर लिया, कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के नोट्स कर लिए, एक किताब पढ़ ली तो हमारा हो गया. ये एग्जाम वो एग्जाम है ही नहीं. राइट, फॉर दैट यू नीड टू बी रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स, यू नीड टू डेवलप योर ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग. यूपीएससी बेवकूफ लोग नहीं चाहता है. यूपीएससी वांट्स दोज पीपल दोज हु कैन रन दिस कंट्री. It wants those people, those who can understand the problems and find solution to those complex problems which have not been found till now. So that cannot come out of an ordinary mind. I'm not trying to see ordinary mind doesn't mean that you need to be having an IQ of 160 or that otherwise you will be an ordinary mind, or you need to have qualified IIT JEE or the CLAT or the NEET exam to have been labeled as a non-ordinary mind. No, that's not what I'm saying. But it wants people those who understand. It wants people those who can apply. It wants people those who can solve complex problems which are faced by the society, and that cannot be done unless you learn to do it on your own. No one else is going to come and help you there in the services. जब आप सर्विस में पहले दिन जाएंगे, I was just talking to a probationer few days back. He went to his training for the district training a few months back, और उसने मेरे को बताया कि पहले दिन जब मैं गया तो मेरे को डीसी ने बुलाया और उसने मेरे को एक एलियन लैंग्वेज में, he's been posted in Tamil Nadu, he's a boy from Rajasthan, he's still learning Tamil, and Tamil is not an easy language to learn, or especially जो Dravidian languages है, South Indian languages are very different from the North Indian languages, the Indo-Aryan languages. The ones which you have in North India, they are very different from the others. So he's no exposure. He has been given a file on a scam that has happened in the health department, and he has been asked to find out details of that. Now he told me that मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूं. Whom should I go to? Because I go to the DC, he doesn't have time. I go to the ADC, he doesn't have time. I go to the SDM, he doesn't have time. I'm all on my own. I went to the SDM. One day he said, okay, I will help you. उसने मेरे को एक और फाइल दे दी. उसने बोला ये लो. तो खोल के देखा तो उसमें न्यूज़पेपर क्लिपिंग्स थी. तो देन जो भी जितनी भी टूटी फूटी उसको तमिल आती है, whatever he knows, he could decipher from that कि हाँ स्कैम तो हुआ है. But he said कि क्या हुआ है ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा मुझे. I am not able to figure out. And he was telling me, he was asking me कि भैया मैं क्या करूं. मैंने बोला मैं क्या बताऊं तुम्हें अब, है ना. सर्विस में तो ऐसा ही है, किसी के पास कोई टाइम नहीं है देखिए आपको ट्रेन करने का. आपको खुद ही ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है. और उससे डीसी जो है 2 महीने में जवाब मांगेगा कि हाँ जी क्या हुआ, आपको मैंने रिपोर्ट बनाने बोली थी स्कैम के ऊपर. They are not going to care about whether you know the language, whether you understand or not. By hook or by crook, साम दाम दंड भेद जो लग सकता है, you go and get this for me. It's as simple as that. When you are going to be secretary to the prime minister, you are going to be secretary to the education minister, secretary to the health minister, they won't care. They won't give a damn about how much time you have, how much time you don't have, whether you have the expertise or not. They will give you a problem, solve it, otherwise you will be removed. It's as simple as that, because there are other 10 people waiting to do that job. So please understand one thing कि केवल नोट्स पे रिलाय करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. आपको खुद से ये सब्जेक्ट समझना भी पड़ेगा. मैं आपके लिए वो काम करूंगा, टू मेक इट इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड। मैं आपके लिए वो एक काम करूंगा कि जो मैंने 10 साल में सीखा है वो मैं आपको 40 क्लासेस में कंप्रेस करके देने की कोशिश करूंगा, बट ultimately it will depend on you, how much you absorb and how much you are willing to learn outside the class after spending time with this subject and absorbing this subject. That is in your hands, and selection and rejection is also yours. Coaching institutes may claim your rank, they may put up your pictures after selection, but the reality is that the selection and the rejection both belongs to all of you. A lot of candidates come to me and say कि you know आपने हमारी हेल्प करी, आप ही की वजह से। I always say this कि मेरी वजह से कुछ नहीं हुआ और किसी टीचर की वजह से कुछ हो भी नहीं सकता, because this exam ultimately is all about the amount of effort that you have put in, right? So please understand this. Do not go by the advertisements etc and whole lot of other nonsense marketing which you see outside, है ना, वो बहुत जरूरी है आपके लिए समझना। Anyway,